Oh yeah, you did. I literally.
I caught 2 catfish. Me, Nicole Wendelberg. I caught 2 catfish.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. We are in Tampa right now, and we're heading to. Are we going to Oxford Exchange? Or we're not.
I think we're going to Fresh Kitchen.
We're going to Fresh Kitchen. Never had it before, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm such a picky eater.
First time.
Yeah, first time. And I'm with Nicole. I'm with my friends right now. Grace, if you can see Grace, and then Olivia. But yeah, we are heading to Fresh Kitchen right now. We're going. How far is it?
Like 20 minutes away.
20 minutes away. We're gonna hop in the car and we're gonna go. So yeah. Recording.
Is that like a thing? Like, yeah, like
Okay, hey guys, I just want to show you the ugliest thing I've ever just kidding. The lamest thing I've ever seen.
That's not.
Is that Molly? If you want to be my friend, agree with everything I say.
No.
What's that from? I feel like that's from Mean Girls.
with someone who's
from you.
polite.
Okay, Molly, this does not look like me. Hey, Emma. Hey,
I know,
Emma.
it doesn't look like me.
Wait, let's pick your nose. Wait.
No, I'm not gonna let you do that.
Emma, put your nose right here. Wait, it goes the opposite way. So like try to find Emma's nose. If you can't find it, because you're weird.
Ooh, look, touch each other.
I have a nice nose. I'm messing it up.
I'm just gonna pick it.
Hey y'all, you want to see the most unmannerly person ever?
I have way more manners than you.
Is that what you
Right,
just
guys?
said?
To all my followers, I look like I look trashed.
Did you
That's
say
what I
excuse
look
me after you
like.
burped?
Excuse you.
No, excuse
You can
me.
always fix the lighting.
I know, I did excuse you, Brandon. Oh.
Well, I feel like we didn't even record that much.
No, because
Okay. Hey guys, just here with Molly Strzelecki.
How do you say it, Molly?
Strzelecki.
Or
and/or.
thought that was the
Okay,
funniest thing.
guys, me and Molly are gonna rate guys, okay?
whoa, no, we're not.
Brandon, 0.
John B.
Okay, starting with Brandon, 0. Wait, actually,
Let's rate top.
-4.
You guys want to watch Outer Banks?
That was the guy who just said the stupidest idea on this recording. Okay, Molly, we're rating guys. Austin, now be careful.
I can't say anything because.
What do you love about him? What do you hate about him? Go.
Hi, I'm
Yeah, wait,
I'm
what do
Austin.
What do you love about Brandon? What do you hate about him?
I thought we were talking about Austin.
I love that Brandon gave me his memory foam mattress. I hate
What?
everything else.
Hold on. It's fine.
Molly, you can't leave your own vlog.
Ow.
I just got that. How do you stop it from recording? How do you stop?
One frozen pizza, one from
Oh,
Papa
you-
John's.
I was about to say you bought 2 pizzas.
No, I bought a large pepperoni
Why'd you order Papa John's if you have a frozen?
because
Wait, how do you zoom in on this thing?
Talking about Papa John's on the left.
Can you zoom in?
and I said, maybe
Did you order it for Brandon?
Yeah, it is. That's what I want.
How do you zoom in?
We can have that
Wait.
frozen pizza. We can have Papa John's. We can have it.
Did you order Papa John's already?
Yeah. You zoom in like.
Hey, can I have one of these brownies?
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
Brandon.
that's
Brandon, don't make
bad.
that
You look
face.
like you're pooping.
I'm just trying to fart.
Okay, wait, ready? What's your best model face?
What's
That's it right there.
Do duck lips. Let's see it.
Duck lip?
Duck lips and a little peace sign. Let's see it. Do it. Come on,
No.
Brandon.
Not
Look,
Austin.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, look, Molly's doing it.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Come on, Brandon. Just one time for the vlog.
Austin,
Pink
go ahead and
Floyd.
do it.
Okay, Austin, do it.
Oh, God.
Okay, now you go.
No, I'm not doing that.
You gotta.
Ew, that's even worse.
Try to get like the creepiest smile you can think of.
Wait, look at. Can you see yourself on this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it's so zoomed
Now do
in.
what?
You have to zoom
Wait.
out, honey.
Ew. You look so ugly.
You want me to say the thing I hate about his hair?
You hate his hair? Yeah, Molly said that you need to cut
She sees
it.
me, she's like, so when are you cutting your hair?
Molly.
Okay, Molly, rate his hair.
It has.
It's okay, Mom. Say what you want to say.
Okay, come
You hate it,
on.
you
One through 10.
Don't worry.
No, I would say it's like a solid 7.
You hate a 7? Oh my gosh, that's some high standards.
I know.
Yeah, that's Brandon's best case he's ever had, actually.
Yeah.
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 That was funny.
I bet I like to live my
Thank you,
life
guys.
hopeful for
Yeah,
something
that
better.
was good.
Okay, bye.
Shiny, so that's like.
Number and you're gonna guess,
I have
okay?
dark brown hair and it made my hair like
All right.
lighter.
Don't look.
Yeah.
How many fingers am I holding up?
What is the point?
Yeah, but
How
in
many?
order to go back,
Wrong.
like my
How many? No.
That's a nice
color,
camera.
I like had it all brown. So I think it like
Okay.
We do look good.
Wow.
Hi, you're here with
It's
Grace.
weird that it's flipped though. It's
That's
I
what
know.
Nicole said.
weirding me
I don't
out.
know
Like,
how-
I can't.
I didn't even
Like
notice.
try sticking Grace's nose with your finger.
I don't know if you can change that or
Isn't that-
what.
She was serious.
I get